The federal government will introduce new laws under the Credit Act to regulate the buy now, pay later industry. Buy now, pay later services will be treated as a credit product, and providers will be required to have a credit licence, comply with hardship requirements and minimum standards of conduct. Australians made $16 billion worth of transactions last financial year, up significantly on the previous year. The Financial Services Minister, Stephen Jones, says the products pose financial dangers to consumers.
Well, we want to ensure that while there is competition and while there is innovation, that the harmful effects of poor marketing practices and poor lending practices don't impact, particularly on vulnerable communities. And some of the evidence that we've seen as a government is some of this stuff is happening, particularly on low-income households, First Nations people and other people. There is evidence that there's been multiple accounts sold to people who simply can't afford them, that people are missing essential payments, that people are going without so that they can make their buy now, pay later and their other credit repayments. We don't want to make it harder for people who are using buy now, pay later in the way it was intended, but we do want to ensure that we're lifting the bar to ensure that this form of consumer credit is regulated in a way that makes it safe and affordable to use, that we're lifting the bar right across the credit market.